Comes this way now. Free, lie down there for you. That big one looks reminds me of Ma from the movie Babe. They need to change this course. It's too easy. I mean, they need to make you do it twice or something. You know what I mean? Go back the opposite way like PT.
Move. You need to move, Bree.
I know. Bree, that'll do. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Quiet.
Bree.
There. There. Down.